Yo, we're out here about to get to blasting on this frame. I guess I'll just hop into today. I already got the truck over here. Here's a video of me bringing it. Well, I'll show you guys the frame before I start blasting it. All right, so this is the frame. Utilities. I'll get all that off, get it painted. But yeah, got it all tarped up and stuff. Got, you know, tape around the spots. I feel like that was smart to do. I don't know if I am, but look dumb. Got tape around my stuff. But yeah, I can't really film blasting because I don't have anyone to do it for me. But I'll just show you guys right after I'm done. But now let's go. All right, we're back. Frame's blasted. Kind of sucked like it usually does, but yeah, got the frame going. So I mean, the frame is in good shape, but I mean, who doesn't want their stuff blasted, you know what I mean? I only did the frame, as you can see. The leaf springs are gonna get blasted separately with the drop kit, and the drive shaft and the diff, just the rear axle, I guess, is all gonna get done separately by hand. I'm gonna get new shocks on here, and obviously a new exhaust. So all the rest that you see back here will be taken care of. It was mainly just getting the frame, of course. But yeah, for $10 a bag, I only use like roughly 5 bags. That's pretty good. So yeah, I'll catch you guys. We're hauling the truck back. Just had to stop and check out the sky real quick. C10 today. Sounds like crap right now, actually. I think it's running out of gas. But we old school today, boy. Yes, sir. Yeah, we're definitely running out of gas there. Suck a loud, boy. About to hop on a tractor. Let's get to it. Yo. So, basically, I was at work. Well, on my lunch break, I took off. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I ran to get my phone because I forgot to record. But I took off my leaf springs. I blasted them, and I'm actually in the middle of painting them. So I'll show you guys that real quick. All right, so here's the leaf springs. That's them blasted. I got the shackles on there too. And this one's just finished being painted. I'll show you guys what paint I used in a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna keep on spraying, so I'll show you guys when it's done. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Cleaning the gun. We finished up painting. About to show you guys that in a second, but yeah. All right, so I know it's getting dark out. But yeah, the leaf springs. We're gonna go ahead and put them up for the night. We'll come get them in the morning. Have some bolts and stuff to paint. But yeah, we're gonna go put them in the shop right here. So this is probably like day 3 or 4 of this vlog already. Tomorrow's gonna be another day. I work all day, so I've been like filming like after work and trying to get stuff done. But yeah, I guess I might film here in a second. C10 over there. Wait. There we go. But yeah. I ain't been in a Mercedes yet, boy. Dang, son, this thing moves. The clutch is slipping a little bit now because I was leaking so much diesel that it just like leaked down on the clutch. Really? Yeah. That day when I was just letting it sit there. Yeah. It just leaking diesel out. So it burnt the clutch a little bit now. This thing moves, dude. Yeah, it does. You can feel that turbo heavy. Yeah, look in the mirror whenever we take off. I'll wait till these cars spin this and then blow some smoke. I don't want to blow it on bikers and get shot. Turbo diesel Mercedes, dog, thing's quick. I ain't been in that yet. I wasn't expecting that to happen, but I guess it wasn't the end. Let's do a little start on the C10 and then we'll probably end it for the day. But let's go. Get this sucker going. Let's get this sucker going, man. Ready? Yes, sir. Shut the door. Yes, sir. Come on now. What you want? Come on now. Stop playing with the kid. Alright, we're gonna sign out here. I'm too busy yapping, but see you guys tomorrow. It's like, I lied again. I cannot get over this. But if y'all remember the first video, that guy never even came for the truck. So, y'all want to hit me up. It's up for sale. It's a driver, a daily driving, man. Come on now. You know you want this. Alright, stop playing. Let's go. See y'all tomorrow for real. Yo. Top of the morning. We out here, we're about to go, I'm gonna go get the paint gun at the shop and bring it back to the house. We're gonna get this frame done real quick before my dad's buddy show up for bike week. Pick up the leaf springs and stuff, and then I gotta go back to the shop and blast just some bolts and stuff, and then paint U-bolts and bolts and stuff. And yeah, I don't know exactly what we're doing today. If we're gonna have time to go to the scrapyard in Benel that I wanted to go to, but yeah, we're just gonna be trying to get stuff done today. But see you guys in a minute. Yes, sir. Stop playing with the kid. Come on now. There and they were, so I'm gonna get these things loaded up and then grab the paint gun and get to it. Alright, so we just finished spraying. This is the frame. It's gonna dry and still gonna kind of look like this because it's a gloss, but yeah, let me know what y'all think. I think it looks good. It's kind of worth it, honestly. Yeah. Hey man, what we doing? It's like a look good though.
Got the clap on.
We was waiting for the C-notch to come in, and then we about to start cutting the frame. But I guess I'll catch you on the next clip. Hey man, what we doing? What we doing? We out here sliding to the shop. Hey man, we back here. Just did a little quick spray paint on the U-boats.
Yeah.
Don't worry about that. We gonna run them still. Hopefully it work, but it look like I still blasted them. We're gonna leave them like that, kinda like it, but yeah. About to go grill, man.
What?
I said we about to go grill
Yeah.
on the egg sandwich.
Not me.
Cause yeah, man, you ain't getting none.
I'm hungry though.
You want one?
Hell yeah.
I man bet. Yo, we out here on the tractor, about to get these jumps going out here on dirt bikes. Yes, sir. What we doing? About to get this thing going, dog. Yes, sir. About to build some dirt bikes here in a second. I'll be back. Yes, sir. Wait for it to rain. I got this thing going again, boys. Let's go. What? Yes, sir. Big ol' gap, dog. What you talk about? Let's go. Let's go, boy. That's all dried up. Thing looks good. Don't it?
Huh?
I think it look good, don't it?
Yeah, dude.
Way better.
I prefer the rest.
Oh yeah. We're about to ride some pitters, dog.
Dirt.
Yes, sir. Let's go on pitters. Woo! We're going hot. Whoa!
Got a little co-stars out here.
Hey, dog.
I almost died going up there.
We're finna ride with some kids from Polk County later.
Polk County.
Oh, look at my hand. You finna do some wheelies and bike life? You know how I be.
Get it up, buddy. Let's go.
Oh! excited. We dirty out here, butt bogging. Yo, we're back. It's probably been a couple hours since the last clip. It was kind of hard to film. Riding the dirt bikes and stuff. I was pretty much doing what they were doing and mud bogging and stuff, so it was a little difficult. But yeah. I'm gonna end the video here. I gotta stop saying like that's. If y'all have any tips for like stop saying like I'm annoyed saying Anyways, we're gonna end it here. I guess thanks everyone for watching. My I did it again. My 4 subscribers. Hopefully we get a couple more. But yeah, thanks everyone for watching, and catch y'all on the next one. Yo, this is me. I guess I'm in the middle of editing the video that this is going on. I just made a link tree. By the time this gets out, it'll be like a week later. But yeah, so I just wanted to put out there that I have a link tree now. It has links to the new video for the week, the channel Instagram, the YouTube channel, and my personal Instagram. So I guess if everyone go check that out, I appreciate it. If anyone can share it to their story, or just share the channel, or follow and tell your friends and everything. And yeah, I appreciate everyone. Get back to editing. See y'all in the next one.